One of the reasons I really like working at United is that the employees here have integrity. I feel like the employees have formed good bonds with each other, so even though you're working on a work project together, it genuinely is a pleasure to work with these people. It definitely helps that the executives are on the same floor as everybody. You don't feel like you have to kind of venture out into the unknown to go talk to them, and usually they'll have their door open, and the executives are good about keeping in touch with other employees, so you do feel like you're welcome to go in and talk to them, and they're easy to talk to.
There's a lot of different opportunities to get involved in whether it's different committees that we have here. United always has a Christmas party that's always a bunch of fun with spouses, and we just went to the zoo for our annual picnic. Just a fun time to get together with families, get to know each other differently outside of just the work opportunities here. Those are a couple things that stand out to me as far as what makes United United.
The team environment is one of the things that really attracted me to United. The places that I'd worked previously, it was just kind of an open concept. And the team concept here at United, we really try to, when the projects come in, that specific team has ownership of that project. They feel like, they're a part of it. Everybody wants to make sure that it is successful, that each person who's working on it is successful. And the teams, we really work hard to make sure that we've got good experience from the top to the bottom, so that the younger engineers are learning from the experience of the older engineers.
Here at United, they divide up the projects into various teams, so you're not always working on these little trail jobs. You're not always working on the big major highway jobs. There's kind of a mix throughout it, and I think that gives you a lot of different experience. And I think that really helps as you develop in your career, because as a project manager or a team leader or any of the leadership positions above, you need that experience.
We're looking for our younger engineers, and we're looking for our engineers that are stepping up. We're always giving them more challenges, always working on more exciting projects. As you get to be a 8, 10, 12-year engineer, you want to have every single tool in your tool belt that you can possibly have. And we make sure that you've got all of that. And at 5 years, when you're sitting for your PE, we want to make sure that it's a foregone conclusion, that you walk into it and you're, I've already done all this, and I've got this experience.
As I became excited and interested in the work, my way up, realized that I wanted to actually pursue my college degrees in civil engineering and in project management. And United was actually there for me during that entire process. They helped me with half of my school. Not only did I finish 3 associate degrees, but I also finished a bachelor's degree, and then later went on to earn my master's. So not only was I able to help them as I grew in changing positions, but they were also able to help me, and I think that gives you a real sense of unity and a real sense of, this is the place I want to be and the company that I want to work for.